I'm Miles Gaisley and welcome to the launch of the Volkswagen Tiguan here at Gaisley's. We've also got the fundraiser tonight for the Riversdale Beach Surf Club. We hope to raise a fortune for the new club room. Thanks for coming.
Tom Bruddenville, Chairman of Volkswagen New Zealand. Fantastic to be here tonight at the Gaisley Volkswagen launch of the new Tiguan. We've had a brilliant night. I've been lucky enough to go to a few of these around the country, but there's something special about tonight. You know, everyone that's here wants to be here, and what you learn when you're involved in a business like Volkswagen is you have great product like this Tiguan, which is great, but actually it's about the people. And we see tonight with the Gaisleys and all their customers. I mean, the show's finished, but everyone's still here. They want to be here, and you know that's pretty special, and that's pretty unique, and something from my point of view I'm pretty proud of for these guys. They do a great job for us, and they're going to do a fantastic job for us with this new Tiguan. So cheers, and thanks for those that have been here tonight.